Hey everybody, back again, Kyle's Kitchen. Welcome to Season 3, everybody. I am so excited to start this new season and this new chapter in Kyle's Kitchen. We just struck fall, and October is right around the corner, end of September, and this is my favorite season. There's so many good fall foods out there. You know, pumpkin pie and sweet potatoes. You know, Thanksgiving's around the corner. Yams, sweet potatoes, turkey. Oh my God, mashed potatoes, stuffing. But right now, I'm gonna do what I do best, and I'm gonna show you some of the recipes that I grew up on. Especially this one from New Jersey. Okay. Now, if you've ever been to the Boardwalk, or you've ever been to a carnival, or you've been to a carnival, or you've been to, let's say, a fair, okay, you have seen this, you have eaten this before. It's not funnel cake, close. But what I'm going to be making tonight is fried Oreos. Yes, you heard it, people, fried Oreos. So I'll start off with the ingredients. I got some bootlegged Oreos. They're not real Oreos, but it's the same thing. Chocolate cremes, okay? And these look like they're single stuffed, not double stuffed. Got some milk for the batter, some flour for the batter, and some eggs, okay? So when you're making the batter, you have to remember you're going to dip it in the batter, the Oreos, and everything, all these three ingredients, the milk, the flour, and the eggs, go into the batter, into the mixing bowl, okay? You don't want to do it separate, okay? Flour, egg, milk, or milk, flour, egg. No, you put everything in the same batter, okay? Same bowl. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the flour, and I'm gonna start off by putting some flour in there. I'm not gonna measure it out really. I'm just going to put, actually, I should do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in 1 cup of flour, okay? Cup of flour. I'm going to throw that in there, okay? Mix it up. Next, I'm going to crack 2 eggs. I'm going to crack 2 eggs, and I'm going to put 2 eggs in the batter. Yes, you heard that, people. Okay? Just because I'm only going to be making probably 10 fried Oreos tonight. Alright? Make sure you have your mise en place, everything, to get everything ready. And then I'm going to mix some milk in there, people. Okay? Alright, now I'm going to put everything back. Alright, I already got the oil on the stovetop, and that's getting hot. Okay, because we need to fry it in some oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up the batter, people. Okay, mixing up the batter. Alright, just going to give it a quick whisk. You want to get all the clumps out. The main thing, you want to get all the clumps out, okay? All the clumps. So it still looks like it needs more flour, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another half a cup of flour in there. Okay? It still looks like it needs some more flour. Alright, and then I'm going to mix it up. Because you want it to be thick. You want the batter to be really thick. Okay? Alright, now what I'm going to do is, well, I'm gonna still keep mixing it up a little bit more. I need some more mixing. Alright. Trying to get all the clumps out, but you want it to be thick, Okay, nappe. So when I pull it up in the whisk, you can see it thickness. You can see the thickness in it. Okay, and you want it to coat. See how it coats my finger? It's supposed to coat the Oreo the same way. Okay. Now I'm gonna test the oil out and see if the oil's ready. Throw a little water in there. Oh, it's ready. All right. I'm gonna take you over to the stovetop, and we're gonna get cooking, fellas. Okay, so we're back. The vegetable oil is hot. Okay, it's in this pan, and it's really hot. Okay, you want to get the vegetable oil to about 165 degrees. Okay, the oil. I'm gonna start off by making my first Oreo. I got a metal ladle. I'm gonna take the Oreo. I'm gonna throw it in the batter. Okay, throwing it in the batter. See? Gonna coat it. Gonna coat the Oreo. Okay. Then throw it in. Pick another one. Coat it. Throw it in. Pick another one. Batter another one. Throw it in. Okay. All right. Now, you gotta let it cook. See, Oreo's cooking. You gotta let it cook for about 45 seconds on each side. Okay, people. All right. So I'll show you what I'm doing here. 45 seconds on each side. Flip it. Flip them over. Remember to flip them over. Okay. 45 seconds on each side. Alright. Alright. And then when I pull it out, I'm going to throw it in this pan right here. Okay. You know what? I might just make the whole box. So, we'll see. Alright, these are done. No, not yet. Still needs another 20 seconds. And guess what, people? These cook really quick, okay? So, you gotta keep your eye on it all the time. Alright, keep your eye on it all the time. You want to strain it too with the ladle. Strain it. Okay, so I'm gonna cook some more of these bad boys. I'm gonna do 4 at a time, just because about 4 at a time. Alright. It's always good to clean as you go. Clean as you go. Alright. Now, it looks like it needs to get flipped. I'm going to flip them. Yeah, I'm going to flip them in 10 seconds. Alright, so we got a pack of Oreos, and I think there's like 15 in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and cook all 15 of them. I don't see a reason why not to, because these are awesome. They taste so good. You don't even understand how good they taste. So, if you've ever had them before. Alright, so this is what they look like right now. Okay, hope you enjoy cooking with Kyle in Kyle's Kitchen. Okay, I'm so excited to do this season 3. We have about 15 recipes this season, okay? It's going to be awesome. So stick around for all that, okay? And if you didn't pay your internet bill, pay it so you can watch my videos, okay? For the love of God. Alright, we got maybe 5 more Oreos left to go, so let's just finish. 4 more left to go, so let's finish these up, okay? Let's finish them up. Alright. Oh, and guess what? These go good with ice cream. Oh my God, they're so amazing with that too. They are good with ice cream. I'm not lying about that. Alright, looks like they need to get flipped now, so I'm going to flip them over. Be careful, because this is hot. The grease is hot, people. Alright, so be careful when you're doing this. Alright. So, this is the last batch of Oreos. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the oven, or the stovetop. Alright, and then I'm going to pull these off and yank these off. Alright, fellas, so we're back. Just got done cooking the Oreos, frying them. So I went ahead and I made myself a cup of coffee. Since this is technically a dessert. This is basically carnival food. If you've ever been to a carnival, like I mentioned in the beginning of the episode. And it's just amazing. I mean, you could eat it with ice cream. If I had powdered sugar, I would sprinkle powdered sugar on top. They're good enough without that, though. So I'm going to try it and see how it tastes, okay? See how it is. Wow. Well, that is amazing. Well, that is good. These are good. These are really good. Let me try dipping it in the coffee. See how that tastes. Not so good. But, these are bomb. Oh yeah. What you're really supposed to do, like they do at the carnival, the fairs, they sprinkle powdered sugar on top. And presto, that's it. Finito. It's done. One benefit of growing up in New Jersey, being around a boardwalk in the summertime, was funnel cake, cotton candy, and fried Oreos. If you don't know, now you know. Alright? So anyways, fellas, thank you for watching Kyle's Kitchen. Eat, pray, and love. Okay? Au revoir, everybody.